This video shows how to replace the transfer roller for the Xerox VersaLink B620 printer. Press the power button. Then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Open door A. Remove the toner cartridge from the printer. Remove the imaging unit from the printer. Do not expose the imaging unit to direct light for more than 10 minutes. Extended exposure to light may cause print quality problems. Do not touch the photoconductor drum. Doing so may affect the quality of future print jobs. Protect the imaging unit from exposure to light. To remove the used transfer roller from the printer, unlatch right side with right-hand thumb and lift it up. Using your left hand, grasp under the center of the transfer roller. Pull the roller straight out of the printer. To avoid fingerprints on the roller surface, handle the roller by the plastic housing. To insert the new transfer roller into the printer, hold underneath with left hand, under the center of the transfer roller, and hold latch underneath with right-hand thumb and insert from the front. Tilt the roller by lifting from the right side latch and drop the roller in place. Press down on latch until it clicks to lock into place. Insert the imaging unit back into the printer. Insert the toner cartridge back into the printer. Close door A. Plug in both ends of your power cord. Power on the printer. After replacing the transfer roller, reset the supply counter manually. To reset the supply counter in the control panel, log in the printer with admin credentials. Touch Device app. Then select Tools. Inside Tools, touch Device Settings. Then choose Supplies. In Supplies, touch Supply Counter Reset. Then scroll the screen to select Transfer Roller. Touch the Reset Counter option, appears on the control panel. The Reset Counter confirmation pop-up appears. Touch Reset to confirm.